In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a YouTube TV free trial activation code. If you've received a code and want to activate your free trial, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. To use a YouTube TV free trial activation code, start by visiting tv.youtube.com on your device. If you don't already have an account, click Try It Free, or a similar option to begin the sign-up process. When prompted, enter your activation code in the designated field to redeem your free trial. Follow the steps to complete your account setup, including choosing a plan and entering payment details. Your card won't be charged until the trial ends. Once activated, download the YouTube TV app on your device, log in, and start streaming live sports, news, and entertainment. If this video helped you learn how to use a YouTube TV free trial activation code, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.